What is up guys, my name is Suyog, you are watching Mr. Vampire. Let's begin. This video is unboxing of Poco M2. So let's open this box. So first you will get this kind of, there is no case, you will get only paperwork inside. And one SIM ejector pin. Okay, keeping it aside, you will get this phone. I have ordered in black color. Now inside box you will get 10-watt charger. Phone supports 18 watt, but you will get 10 watt in box with a type C cable. Now keeping it aside, let me set up this phone first. Now coming to the display, you will get 6.53 inch Full HD plus 1080p display with 400 nits brightness. The quality of display is awesome, but due to 400 nits brightness you will find it difficult in direct sunlight. Now coming to the specifications, you will get MediaTek Helio G80 processor with 6GB RAM and 64GB ROM for base variant, and RAM type will be LPDDR4X RAM, which will be very good, but storage type is eMMC 5.1, so write and speed will be slow. Also you will get security batch of September month. Okay, that's it, and almost 50GB will be available for usage and 14GB will be used by system. You will get Android 10 and MIUI 11, which will be running on Poco launcher. This will be ad free UI. You will not see any ad like Redmi devices. For connectivity you will get 4G VoLTE, dual 4G VoLTE. Also it supports 2G, 3G. The Bluetooth version is 5.0, which is better, and with Wi-Fi of 5 GHz. Now coming to the battery, you will get 5000 mAh massive battery with 18 watt charging support, but in box you will get only 10 watt charger, and it also has type C connector with reversible charging, means you can also charge another phone with this device, but due to 10 watt you will almost take 2 hours to completely charge the phone from 0 to 100. Now the camera module is 13MP primary camera, 8MP ultra wide with 5MP macro and 2MP depth sensor, and also the fingerprint scanner is placed on camera module. So sometimes while unlocking your phone you will place your finger here. Before you will getting used to it, but after some days you will develop your habit for placing your finger here. Talking about camera performance is very average. The images are yellowish, means they does not look natural, they are just boosted type, as the camera sensor, means primary camera sensor, is just 13MP. Details are missing. I will attach some photos after this video. You can see no details are present here. Then if you are looking for a camera phone, you should avoid this phone. This phone is just for gaming and for daily usage, so go with higher. Just here this photo, details are just diminished, means no details are present, as you can see. So if you want camera phone, then go with another phone with higher megapixels, means like 48 megapixel Narzo 20 is present. And for if you are looking for a gaming phone, then you should go with this phone, means 5000 mAh battery, MediaTek Helio G80 processor, a very capable processor it is. So just for gaming and daily usage you can go with this phone. For camera phone you should avoid this.